Hello all Dalton High School students and parents. My name is Stephanie Hungerpiller and it is my absolute honor and privilege to serve as principal of Dalton High School. Because of our current situation with COVID-19, we decided that we would create a virtual open house for students and parents again this year. It is our hope that conditions will improve so that we will be able to have other opportunities for parents to come visit our school and learn more about the great work that our students are doing later in the year. The virtual open house is designed to give you the opportunity to view videos of all of our teachers and learn more about the classes they teach as well as their classroom expectations. It is our hope that you find this information useful and that you find ways through this video to support your student in learning and their progression through high school. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce our administrative team. Each of our administrators is partnered with a guidance counselor to serve students who are grouped alphabetically by their last names. Jessica Ashlock is our assistant principal in charge of science, CTAE, EL, and ESS. She works with students' last names A through GA, and she is partnered with our counselor, Tina Sibilia. Jeff McKinney is our assistant principal that also serves as our athletic director, and he is in charge of the PE and math departments. He works with students' last name GE through O, and he is partnered with our counselor, Rachel Cobb. Chris Anderson is our other assistant principal. He works with language arts, social studies. He is our AP coordinator, and he works with students' last name P through Z, and he is partnered with guidance counselor D. Curtis. Jay Ashlock, again, will serve as our dual enrollment coordinator throughout this school year. We also have two instructional coaches who work with teachers to find strategies to help support teachers in learning and creating lesson plans and lesson designs for our students. We have Matt Facey, who works with science, social studies, and language arts, and Elizabeth Cox, who works with our math department. Evelise Peters is our school social worker, and she does a fantastic job of supporting our students. And again this year, Kelly Spinetta is our family engagement coordinator, and she does so many things for us at school. She helps us in translating all of our materials from English to Spanish, and she hosts workshops throughout the year to help support parents in helping their teenagers be successful in school. All of our teachers have posted a video to introduce themselves and to share information about their classes. Please reach out to any of our teachers if you have any questions or concerns. Our staff is awesome and work very hard to provide quality educational experiences for all of our students. We hope that you find the videos that we have created useful and that our virtual open house is easy to navigate and you are able to find the information that you are looking for. If you have any questions or concerns or need more information that is provided in this virtual open house, please call the school. Thank you for your support and for entrusting your child with us. It is an honor to serve our students, their families, and the Dalton community. Thank you.